Hindi mo na mas personal ngayon ang working relationship ninyo.
Bagal-bagalan ng ano.
Working relationship ninyo ni Liza. With this mean na pati yung personal relationship nyo medyo kumuhan. Mas umokay.
Ano naman po, I think it's a bad thing pag hindi, diba? The longer you be always with somebody or working with somebody, lalong, it just gets deeper from, the friendship, everything, the bonding, so, imposible hindi. Aba.
Dito ba sa Dolce Amore, nag-kissing sina? Na talaga,
Wala pa po yan. Wala pa po yan. Sweet love lang, hindi po.
how will you define sweet love?
Sweet
In
love?
English mo lang yata.
How will I define sweet love? Something very innocent, very real, light, natural. Pagkasama mo yung tao, yung feeling ko, you forget about your problems. Magaan lang, pakiramdam. Yeah.
Ganun ba, Liza?
Ganun ba yan, Liza?
May nag-jing.
Kainis ka?
Kakain
Opo, yes. For me, sweet love is the really innocent type of love na parang bang, like when you're young and then you have your first crush, parang ganun, sweet love.
Okay, diba?
Thank you.